So ito yung supposed to be the main lesson for today. No? Chapter 8, Hebrew pronouns. At dito, kita nyo, ito yung mga pronouns at ano, no? Yung ang bibigyan nating pansin dito, yung ah, second second personal pronoun at saka yung third. So, kaya yung second personal pronoun, yung English version has a you, di ba? You lang, you. You. Pero sa Hebrew, merong you na singular masculine, merong you na singular feminine, merong you na masculine plural at saka merong you na feminine plural. Okay? Pero sa English, you lang yon. Kagaya ng nakalagay rito. No? So let us read. Yung I o yung first person I ay ani o ano, no? Or anoki. Ani or anoki. And then yung plural form niya ay anachnu. Okay? Anachnu. We. So yung isa ani, yung isa anachnu. Okay? Sa spelling makikita mo yung role ng alpha at saka nun. Okay? Alpha and then nun. No? However, when we move to sa second masculine singular ay nagiging ata, no? Ata, no? Tinuturo ata. Pero pag second person feminine, notice that yung Sheba ay silent, silent Sheba. Kaya at, no? Kunyari kay Annalyn, at. And then yun, singular ng feminine. Ngayon yung plural form niya ay, tingnan niyo yung at, no? Umiikot din siya sa at no? Yung you, second person. At, ata, at, atem, Athena, no? Atem at saka Athena. Okay? So, sa English translation, lahat yan you, pero we know that Athena ay um, second person feminine plural. Okay? Second person feminine plural. Now, ito yung isang mahirap na, confusing lang. Hindi siya mahirap, confusing. Yung third masculine at saka yung third feminine. No? So, ang rule dito, a who is a he and a he is a she. Okay? Eh, itatype ko sa ano. Uh, who is a he and a he is a she. No? Who is a he? Yung Hebrew, yung who ay ano, he. And then a he, yung nakalagay sa baba, no? A he is a she. Kaya, ano yun? Kahit nung ano ako, nung nagsisimula ako sa Hebrew, lagi ako na-confused doon. Doon sa who tsaka he. Ang nagiging guide na lang sa akin, kung minsan, si antecedent, nakalagay doon yung name ng ano, name ng person na nire-refer to. No? Nakakatulong yun eh. Abraham, so alam mo na ang ginagamit doon ay who. No? Sa Abraham, and then ginamit he, baka ang tinutukoy doon si Sarah. Okay? Si Sarah. Pero kasi ang he ay she, no? Third person singular third person feminine singular. Now going dun sa third masculine, the plural forms ay hem at saka hen. Hem, hen. Hema, hena. So nagkakaiba siya sa gamit ng mem at saka nun. Okay? Mem at saka nun. Hema, hena. Pero confusing, please be guided. Yung hey sa ending, kagaya niyan, hema, una ang isipin mo, pag merong hey sa huli, akala mo, feminine yung noun, no? Pero dito sa case na to, ay parehong merong he na ending, hema at saka hena. Para i-distinguish siya doon sa who at saka sa he na first na third person singular. Masculine at saka plural. So, the independent personal pronoun is labeled independent because it stands alone and is not prefix or suffix to another word. Separate word siya. Independent personal pronouns are subjective, meaning they are used as the subject of a verb. So, ganun yung parang rule, no? Pag nakakita ka ng independent na personal pronoun, so siya yung doer of the action, no? Siya yung subject, meaning they are used, excuse me, the subject of a verb and never as the object of the verb, no? So, being informed here, it is exclusively the subject or the doer of the action. Now, kung independent personal pronouns may also appear as the subject of a verbless clause, di ba? For this reason, they are sometimes called subject pronouns, no? May mga statements na walang verb. So, yan, the use of the independent personal pronoun, no? Ganda ng mga example dito. Please read si Annalyn.
Ana,
Ani,
ah, Ani, Eva, ah,
Adonai. Huwag mo na gamitin yung Yahweh.
Adonai,
Ha? Ani Adonai.
ah,
Yan, nakalagay
Ani
dyan translation.
Adonai.
I am Yahweh or I am the Lord. Sige. Darwin,
Um, um, he,
ano siya? Who?
uh, who, na, na, nabi,
Good. Who na be?
who nabi, ta, tarit,
Sadik.
sadik, who nabi, sadik.
Yan, nakalagay dyan. He is a righteous
Is,
prophet. Aldrin,
Alata,
Ata.
ata, atam, atamana,
Melek.
atamele, atamelete,
Melek Tov.
milito.
Sorry, baka akala mo yung toldok meron siyang sound, no? Wala siyang sound. It is part of the cough na final form.
Atamilito.
So, ata Melek Tov. Okay na yun. You,
Atamele.
you are a good king. So notice yung Melek at saka Tov ay walang definite article. Pag may definite article, it becomes ataha Melek Tov. You are the good king. Gaganon yung mangyayari. Sige. And then, Annalyn.
Hakim.
Hmm. Hakim.
Anak.
Anak nu.
Anak mo. Aking
Oh, yan.
anak mo.
So, yung ak ay brother. No?
Anak
Ang
mo.
plural niya ay ano, Achim.
Anak
Kaya siya
mo.
brothers. And
Him.
then, yung anak no, which is first person plural, common. Kaya we are brothers. Okay. Okay, thank you. Darwin.
I, I, ish, isya, ha, ahi, isya,
Kekama. Sorry, ano pala siya? Kakama.
ka, kakama,
Good. So,
isya
yung
kakama,
red, red ang first personal pronoun, second person, feminine singular. She is a wise woman. And then, Aldrin, itry mo yung last.
Atam. Atam ba?
Ano siya? Atem.
Atem. Atem. Becha.
Ano yan? Bair.
Bahir. Atem Bahir. Atem Bahir.
So, ang root word niyan, gadol. Naalala mo yung gadol? Pero dito, yung function niya ay may definite article at saka um,
Pagka.
feminine singular. Kaya ang reading ay
Haggadon.
Hagedola.
Hagedula.
Sige, Hagedola. Thank you. So, you are in the great city. So, yung relative pronoun na asher. Okay? So, yung asher ay nagtatranslate as who, which, and that. Tapos sabi nga nila pratiko, the form of this word does not change. No? So, lagi siyang asher. Lagi siyang asher. With or without a make. Pero ang choices nyo nga, pag it is referring, the relative pronoun is referring to a person, gagamitin mo yung who. And then, pag which and that naman, pag kunyari, non-personals, no? And so, tingnan natin yung gamit dito. Annalyn, read the first one.
Ha, haets.
Oh, haets.
Ka, It's Aishar,
Asher, Asher,
Aishar,
Asher.
Ashir, Ashir, Bad, Badula, Ba,
Be,
Ba, Beto, Betok,
Betok,
Betok, Hag, Hagon,
Hagan.
Hagan,
Oo.
Hagan,
Naalala niyo yung gan at saka yung garden, magkatunog. Gan at saka
Hagan.
garden. Parang yung earth, Eretz at saka yung earth magkatunog. Sige. So, nandiyan yung translation. The tree that is, yung that, yung ano, yung asher. That is in the middle of the garden. Thank you. Darwin?
Um, he Heharim,
Good. Harim.
Heharim, um, Shar,
Sige, asher.
Asher, Heharim, Sher, Katak,
Ano siya? Takat.
Tak, Takat, Takat, Ha, Shamayim.
Ah. Harim, asher, takat, hashamayim. Very good. Yan nakalagay. Yung har means mountain. Yung ir means city. Okay? And then, Aldren, pangatlo.
Hame,
Go on.
ha, Hamelik,
Amelek.
Hamelik,
Go on. Amelek.
Elek, Ashak,
Asher.
Ashir,
Yung
and
last word medyo mahirap, no? Bekartem.
Artes,
Bekartem. Bekartem.
Captain,
Sige, sige. Yung verb niya
Hamelik,
is
Ashir,
choose.
Captain,
Yes, yes. Choose. Bekar or bakar. And then yung last is David. David Asher. Bebayit. Hindi, Bebait. David Asher Bebait Adonai. Okay? Adonai. David who is in the house of the Lord. Okay, another set. Kung yung kanina, ito ay ano, no? Relative pronoun. Ito ay personal pronoun, independent, independent personal. Ito ay relative pronoun and then ito naman ang demonstrative pronoun. Sa Tagalog, we call it ito, iyan, iyon. Ito, iyan, iyon. Dito, diyan, doon. May dinedemonstrate, merong tinuturo. Sa Hebrew, ang root word or lexical form is ze. Ze. Pero pag naging feminine siya, naging zot. No? Ze ay nagiging zot. And then, yung nandun pa rin yung who at saka who is a he and na he is a she. Pero dito na nga lang ay naging that. No? Naging that. Since meron siyang pinopoint, no? Magkaiba siya dito sa dot na ito na ano ha, dito sa tinatawag nating relative pronoun na dot, no? Be careful, no? So magkaiba siya ng function. Kasi itong that na ito, may pinapoint out siya, no? At usually yung mga tao ay nakatingin doon, no? That, no? Sige. And then pag plural form is ele, ele, and then yung feminine form is also ele. Pero yung pagdating ng plural form ay hem at saka hen, hema at saka hena. No, yung those na kagaya kanina sa nakita natin na mga independent personal pronouns kagaya nito, no? Ito. Independent personal pronouns, hem at saka hen or hema and then hena, no? So yan, this zezot huhi, zezot huhi, ele ele, hem hen, hem hen. Okay, let's ano. Demonstratives may be used either as adjectives, this man or those women, or as pronouns, this is the man, or those are the women. Notice na yung isa ay attributive use, yung bandang huli naman ay ano no, predicative. The masculine and feminine singular forms who and he are identical to the third person masculine and feminine singular. The demonstrative ele is both masculine and feminine plural. So um, kasi nagpo-point out lang naman siya eh. So sa case ng Hebrew, hindi nila nakitang necessary na ano magkaroon ng magkaibang gender yung ele when pointing out sa plural form. Kasi, sorry. Sa singular form, no? Ele is singular, no? Pero nga, this ay plural form. Hindi siya this na ano, singular. Practice reading. Sige, Annalyn.
Haish. Haish. Hat. Haza.
Haze.
Haza.
Haze.
Haze.
Aish,
Haze.
haze. Okay?
Haish.
Darwin.
Haze.
Ha, isha, ha, zet,
Azot.
azot,
Sige. Adren.
Ho Aish,
Hindi, ano, Haish.
Haish, Haish, Haish Haya, Haish
Hahu.
Hahu, Haish Ha,
Sige. Um, Annalyn, pangapat. That woman.
Haisha. Hahi.
Oh, Hahi.
Hahi.
Aisha, Hahi.
Hahi.
Tapos, Darwin, these men.
ha, anashim, ha, ha, ele,
Oh, Haele. Ha, Anashim, Haele. Aldren, these women.
Ha Hanashim,
Sige, Anashim.
Anashim. Hanashim. Haana.
Haele.
Haele.
Sige. Tapos
Haele.
yung uli, Anashim. Hahem. Hahem, kasi plural form na eh. Hahem. No? Konti pa. Annalyn. Demonstrative.
Zeha.
Sorry. Ito sa case na to, walang definite article yung ano no, demonstrative pronoun. Ang meron lang yung noun. Sige.
Zeha. Ay. Haim.
Haish.
Haish. Haish.
Ze haish. Okay?
Zehaish.
Darwin.
Hmm. Zot. Ha. Isha.
Zota isha. Thank you. Aldren.
Ha, Hana.
No, who?
Who? Number 3, sir, no?
Ha?
That is the man.
Oo nga, that is the man.
That is the man. Who? For, for ice.
Haish.
Haish.
Who
Who
haish.
haish.
Okay? Annalyn.
He. Haisha.
Good. He haisha. That is the woman. Darwin.
Ele. Hanashim.
Ele ha anashim.
Ele. Ha. Hanashim.
Sige. Ano, ele hanashim, no? Notice yung men or masculine plural anashim, pag feminine, yung women, feminine plural, nashim lang siya. Nashim. And then of course, him, ha anashim doon sa uli. Those are the men. So hindi na siya ele. Kung hindi malayo, and then plural, gumamit na siya ng him. Hmm. So, ano naman? When a noun is modified by both an attributive adjective and a demonstrative adjective, no, as in this good book, all three must agree in gender, number, and definiteness, no? Yan yung rule. Kailangan kailangan kung feminine ang isa, feminine ang lahat, no? Kagaya ng example na to. Annalyn,
Haish. 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 Ham. Hamot.
Hatob,
Hamit. Hamot.
Tov, Hatob,
Hamob. Sorry. Hatob. Hatob pala, sir. Hatob. Haze.
Good. Ha-ish, hato, base. Darwin?
Ha, isha, ha, toba, ha, ha, hazot,
Ha-isha, hatova, hazot. Ha-isha, hatova, hazot. Aldren, third line.
Atob.
Hindi, nandito pa lang tayo sa ito. Okay, sorry. Nandito pa lang tayo sa ish. Third line.
Ayos.
Ha-ish.
Hais. 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 Hatish habab.
Wait lang. Wait lang ha. Hello there, Anju. Pastor Anju. We, we're having a class in Hebrew. So we no longer have a class for this week since this is the 10th week. Okay? I hope you're doing fine. Pastor Anju. Ano yan ha? Um, ish, ato, bahu. And then the fourth line, Annalyn.
Ha ay. Ha isha. Hatoba. Hahi.
Ha isha, hato, bahahi. That good woman. Notice na yung three renderings are all feminine and they all have a definite article. Darwin.
ha, anashim, ha, ha, tobin,
Hmm.
ha, ele,
Ha anashim, ha tovim, ha ele. O nawala na si ano. Nawala na si Aldrin. So, yung second to the last at saka yung last sa akin na. Ha nashim, matovot, ha ele. Ha anashim, hatovim, hahem. Hahem. Those good men. At yun, when a noun is modified by both an adjective, attributive adjective, and a demonstrative pronoun, uh, the demonstrative pronoun will be first. No? Ganun yung rule. Nasa unahan yung demonstrative pronoun if it is being used Maganda naman ito kasi sa memory, when you begin it, so automatically nagre-register sa'yo na it is functioning as a demonstrative. Sige. I-try mo, Annalyn.
זה האיש הטוב.
Sige. Ze ish hatov. Darwin?
אלה האנשים הטובים.
Ele ha-anashim matovim. Annalyn, third line.
היא האישה, היא האישה הטובה.
Sige. Hi ha-isha hatova. Darwin, fourth line.
הטובה.
הנה הנה הנשים הטובות.
Oo.
טובות.
Hena
טובות.
hanashim. Hena hanashim hatovot. Okay. Ganun talaga. So, ito naman yung interrogative pronouns. No, yung me at saka yung ma. No? Me at saka ma. At ano naman yan, ano? Pareho siyang about questions. So, sige, practice tayo. Annalyn first.
מה ש- שמו?
Mashemu.
מה שמו? מה
Pag
שמו?
mabilis yung reading niya, mashmu,
מה שמו?
mashmu,
מה שמו? מה
mashmu.
שמו?
Kasi yung makep na
מה
meron siyang line na ano, hindi siya separated yung reading.
שמו?
Mashmu.
מה
Edwin.
שמו?
Edwin. Edwin Anoki. Sige, tapos Darwin.
Me chashot.
Me.
Me chashot.
Me asita.
Me as.
Me asita. Sige, Annalyn.
מה מהלום?
Mahakalom.
מה mahal
Kalom.
מהלום הזה?
Mahakalom haze.
מה
What is,
החלום הזה?
what is this dream? Darwin.
חלום.
Nakamute ka, ha?
Me ata.
Mi ata. Ani, ani Darwin. O kaya, mi ata. Darwin ani. Darwin ani. Tapos, Annalyn.
מי האיש הזה?
Mi
מי
ha-ish
האיש
haze.
הזה?
Oo. Mi ha-ish
שזה.
haze. Yan, pa siya. Tapos, Darwin.
Me האנשים האלה.
Mi ha-anashim ele. Ha? So naman, ito, interrogative particle. Ito yung questioning. Ha? Yung nagtatanong na hey, ang tawag dyan, hey interrogative. Para ma-distinguish natin siya dun sa hey na definite article, O kaya yung hey na suffix na inilalagay doon sa ending ng ano ng to denote yung feminine gender. Okay, try. So, tingnan niyo yung second line, no? Yun lang yung merong hey, no? Hey interrogative, okay? Yun lang merong hey interrogative. Sige. Annalyn, read mo yung una.
Shalom. Ay, shalak,
Okay, shalak.
shalak, shalak, ham, hamelek, hamelek, at
It.
hana, hanabim, hanabi,
Hanabi.
nabi,
Hanabi.
hanabi.
Shalak, Hamelek, et Hanabi. Okay, Darwin, ito
Mm.
question mark na to. No? May question. Sige.
Ha, shal, ha, shalak,
Mhm.
ha, melek,
Mhm.
et, ha, nabi.
Mhm. Hashalak, Hamelek, et Hanabi. No? So, nagtatanong. And then, to avoid confusing, yung ano, hatep patak, no, yung nakalagay sa, yung pointing, okay? Kasi you're going to ask, sir, how do we determine or distinguish, no? If it is a hey interrogative from a hey that is a definite article. So yung ano, yung hatep patak, yung pointing sa baba, okay? So hindi lang siya patak kung hindi naglagay ng hatep. Yung ano, yung like a Sheba. Okay? The interrogative particle does not normally have an associated dagesh forte. Sige, anyway. 10 most frequent interrogatives. Dito na lang tayo magtapos, no? The hey interrogative, the ma, the me, lama, why? Bakit? Lama, why? Why? And then, madua, madua. And then, ache, ache. Paano? Ache. And then, aye, where? Ano yun? Mata, mata, when? So, ano na, ano yun? Mata, and then, ana, teka lang. Ana, no? Ana, gaano katagal? Ana, nasaan? A, another way for question is A, yung where. Okay. So, thank you, no? Okay na, hanggang dito na lang tayo. Now, yung sa, ano, no, sa workbook, just keep doing it, no? Ganun talaga, no? In any language, practice talaga yung ano natin, yung pinaka-option in order to really grasp and absorb the subject. Okay? So again, ano, no? Yung, thank you for, ano, no, yung,